These are the instructions for downloading WorkStream DS to your computer. After putting the CD in the CD drive, double-click on My Computer. Open that CD, look for the file that says WorkStream DS Setup. Double-click. This launches another window for installing. Click through the screens to complete the installation. Uncheck the box that says Launch WorkStream DS and click Finish. Go to the other file on the CD, the setup for Colormaster, and double-click. Click the Next to let the program look for WorkStream DS. Highlight it, click the Next, and it will start to configure. It extracts and then it configures. This is putting products into your WorkStream DS. These are products that we've made here at Colormaster. You can also call and get some of our templates that are available on CD. We have greeting card templates, we have memory mate templates, and we have wedding templates. Once the configuration file has loaded, click the Finish button. Close the window you've got open and launch WorkStream DS. The first time that you open WorkStream DS, you may be asked for user information. Just fill that out and click the Finish on that. Once it's open, click Tools, Setup Wizard, uncheck the Configure Printer box and click Finish. Once that's done, close WorkStream DS and reboot your computer. You are now ready to create orders and send them to Colormaster. Thanks for using WorkStream and thanks for using Colormaster.